Class 6 student, chapter number 2 of computer. Now next topic is disk cleanup. This disk cleaning up feature help your computer to run faster. It can help you to free your disk space by removing the unnecessary file. Now this option, disk cleaning up feature, it helps your computer to run faster. It also help to free your disk space by removing the unnecessary files. It also help to get rid of temporary internal and downloaded program file. Whatever unnecessary files are there, whatever temporary files are get downloaded, we can also remove it by using this feature, disk cleanup. It clean the files from the recycle bin and also those which have not been in use for a long time. Now this disk cleanup feature, it just really clean the files from the recycle bin, and it also clean those files which have not been used for long time. Now what are the characteristics of Windows 7? Our daily tasks have been made easy owing to various features offered by Windows 7. The different features of Windows 7 which are there, these features help us to make our work done in easy way. Now we will see what are the different features of that. First is touch screen. We can use our finger for browsing, flipping albums, files and folder with the help of touch sensitive screen, a hardware computer. Now with the help of touch sensitive screen, we can use our fingers for browsing and flipping album, files and folder. And Windows 7 software component. With the help of touch screen, we can finger paint using the paint software. With the help of touch screen, we can also use the finger to paint in the paint software. The touch screen is also available in mobile phones, ATM, tablet, ticket collection, terminal, etc. This touch screen feature is also available in mobile phones, ATM, tablets, ticket collection, terminals and many others. Now shake and snap. Other feature of the Windows 7 is shake and snap. On the top of the window, drag your mouse without releasing the mouse button, then every other window will be minimized except the one you are working upon. Now if we just click on the top of the window and we just drag our mouse without releasing the mouse button, then even every other window will be minimized. All the other window will be minimized except the one which you are working upon. Snap helps to resize the window more quickly. Now this option snap, it helps to resize the open window quickly. Drag any window on the left edge of the screen and another to the right, which will enable us to view two windows side by side. Now drag any window to the left edge of the screen and another to the right. It will enable us to view two windows side by side. A window dragged on the upper edge of the screen will fill up the whole screen. Now window which will be dragged up to the upper edge of the screen will fill the whole screen. The window dragged to the lower edge of the screen will occupy half of the screen and will increase vertically. The window which is dragged on the lower edge of the screen, it will just occupy the half of the screen. It will also increase the vertically. Next is Aero Flip 3. This is also one of the important feature provided by Windows 7. Aero Flip 3. This feature of Windows 7 enables to preview all open window as a pile. This feature of Windows 7 help us to see all the open windows as a collection of pile. Clicking on window key plus tab. Clicking on the window key plus tab activated the Aero Flip 3D dimension feature, which will direct the user to the desktop displaying all the open window. When we will click the window key with the tab, it will activate the Aero Flip 3D option, and this feature will direct the user to the desktop displaying all the open windows. To select and view a particular window, just hold the window key and tab key to scroll through the pile of window. Just when we are just selecting or viewing a particular window, we hold down the window key and tab key to scroll through the pile of windows. Release both the keys to open the desired window of the screen. Release both the keys to open the desired window on the screen. Easy search. By typing text in the search box of the start menu, we can locate a number of features in Windows 7. By typing text in the search box of the start menu, we can locate a number of features of Windows 7. On the top of the search box, one can see the list of document, music, pictures and email displayed on the screen. On the top of the search box, one can see the document, music, pictures and email displayed on the screen. There can be categorized into group given keywords and easy for easy scanning. This can be categorized into groups and even keywords also, and which can be used for easy scanning. Next feature is taskbar. The taskbar in Windows 7 is very flexible and it provides easy direction and access to user favorite program. The taskbar option in Windows 7 is very flexible. It provides easy direction and access to users favorite program. One can preview files and program in full screen mode by pointing to the thumbnail of the icons by simply moving the pointer over them. Window can even be closed through the thumbnail preview. We can also close the window using the thumbnail preview. The arrow peak feature enables us to turn the open window transparent and the desktop screen visible. This can be done by pointing toward show desktop at the right edge of the taskbar. Now this feature also enables us to turn the open window transparent and the desktop screen visible, which can be done by pointing toward the show desktop at the right edge of the taskbar. So this is also one of the important feature of Windows 7. Now jump list. Jump list directs us to the document, song, picture, website used by us regularly. This jump list, it helps us to boldly go to the document, songs, picture, website and other which we use them frequently, regularly. Right click on the program icon on the taskbar. What we have to do? We have to click on the right click on the taskbar. The picture shows the website on the Internet Explorer opened frequently by the jump list. Now this picture will shows the website on the Internet Explorer which is opened frequently by the jump list. One can visit any website by clicking on the jump list. One can easily just click on any of the website by clicking on the jump list. By clicking on a number name, automatically a jump list is featured in the start menu. When you will click on the program name, it automatically jump list is there, which is present at the start menu. When you will click on the start menu, you will find the jump list there. Next is Windows Media Center. Watching and recording TV shows, movies and lot of video content on PC is made easy by using Windows Media Center. Now with the help of Windows Media Center, we can watch, record TV shows, movies and lot of video content on the PC with the help of cable connection, and this thing can be just done with the help of cable connection. Now next is Windows Mobile. Windows Mobile function according to the place, time and nature of the work. Now this feature, Windows Mobile function, it work according to the place, time and nature of the work. It enable an advanced software to be easily used in device. It just help us to find the advanced software which can be easily used in device, which allows sending and receiving emails and internet browsing, and this has several other number of applications. Apart of sending and receiving the email and internet browsing, it also provide several other number of applications. So these are the different features of Windows 7, and with this feature our chapter number 2 also completes. Chapter number question answer has been already sent in the group previously. Now you can attempt the question answer in their fair notebook. Thanks a lot for the class. Stay home, stay safe and study hard.